Before you start watching this video, I want you to hold your ear properly. All right. Let me say this clearly. If you start forex trading the way most people start, you will lose money before you even understand what you are doing in the financial market. Okay. Not because forex is a scam, not because the market is against you, but because I repeat, nobody taught you how to start forex trading properly. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to start forex trading step by step, the same way disciplined, professional, serious traders do it. All right. So make sure you watch this video to the end because there are a lot of educational information I'm going to pass to you right now. So what I want you to do right now is just to hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and get ready for this video. All right. If you're a complete beginner, confused by chart, indicators, and the YouTube noise, this YouTube is full of noise. If you are confused, by YouTube noise, if you have traded before but feel emotional, frustrated, and tired of losing money, guys, this video is for you. Now, maybe this is your first time hearing my voice or you are one of my subscribers. Let me reintroduce myself. I am Mitchell from Trade with Mitchell, the president of Tuba Nation. All right. And I speak to serious traders. So if you are a serious trader, watch this video to the end because there are a lot of stuff to learn here. All right. I speak to serious traders. Tubatians are the ones I'm talking to right now. All right. Tubatians. In Tuba Nation, citizens are called Tubatians. So, Tubatians are people who value discipline, risk control, structure, and independent thinking. So, I must say once again, welcome to Tuba Nation. Now, you can bring your ear down, okay, so that we can get started. Now, what is forex trading? You may be asking that question. This forex trading, what is it all about? Okay, before you place any trade, you must understand what trading actually means. You must understand what forex trading actually means. This is very, very important before you click buy or sell. All right. Now, forex, FX, okay, people use this short form FX, okay, simply means foreign exchange. You can write this down and you hear about forex. Listen, pay close attention, guys. Pay close attention, guys. There is a lot to learn from this video. Okay, I must be honest with you right now. That is a lot to learn. Okay, when you say this forex, this simply means foreign exchange. Okay, foreign exchange. You can divide it here. It means foreign exchange. Okay, some people use the short form, right? FX. It simply means foreign exchange. Okay, in foreign exchange, here, let me tell you, you are not buying a product, you are not investing in a company, you are exchanging, listen, you are exchanging one currency for another. That is what you are coming here to do. In the forest, you come here to exchange one currency for another. Take note of this. All right. You buy, let's say this, Euro USD. You buy Euro USD. No. Now, when you come in here, there are also other ones here. You see, um, GBP USD. You see, USD JPY. You see GBP USD. You see AUD USD. Okay, when you buy, you know, Euro USD, you are selling, dollar, right? Let's say, for example, now you click buy here. What you simply means, you are buying euro and you are selling USD. USD simply means, US dollar. All right. EUR means euro. All right. This is the short form here. Euro USD. Euro USD here. All right. Now, when you click buy here, it simply means you are buying euro and you are selling, dollar. You believe that euro will become stronger than dollar. That's why you are buying. Okay, that is just it, guys. When you click buy, what it simply means, okay, I believe that you know euro will be more stronger than dollar. You buy, you start going on. Now, if you sell, you believe, like you can see here, before I put the trigger in here, I believe when this market reach this point, all right, I believe this market will start, the USD, the dollar will be, more stronger than the euro. All right. I believe that USD will be more stronger than the euro. That's why I sell from here. I don't know if you are getting the point, because I'm trying to explain this to the point that if you're just starting forex trading today and watch this video, you can grab what I'm talking about. You can understand how to trade and make profit for yourself. All right. Now, forex trading is not magic. Okay, like people think that this stuff is magic, is magical. It's not gambling like a lot of people out there think, oh, forex trading is a gambling. You're just a gambler, right? Forex trading is a decision-based price movement. Okay, it's a decision based on price and movement. Okay, this decision, here now, price is moving. Like here now, watch here closely. If you watch what is happening here, and you check these numbers here, price is moving. Okay, and this is all about probability here. You are trading based on probability. Okay, so now a lot of people, a lot of beginner traders start wrong. They start forex trading, guys. They start trading the wrong way. Most beginners start, they watch one random video like that. Maybe they just see a viral video talking about forex market. They watch it, they move straight to one trading app, they download it, you know, they add many indicators. Like if you comment in here, guys, watch here, there are many of them, many indicators here. They will just add it, you know, when once they add it, they press, start pressing, they just go to their maybe MT4 or MT5, they start pressing what will be hearing this sound, buy or sell, they start buying, they start selling, they start buying. You see someone buying and selling at the same time. Okay, they are doing this, no plan, no rules, no understanding of the market, how the market works, how the price work. And this is exactly why many beginners lose their money. Okay, not because these beginners they are stupid, not because they skip foundation, not because they are stupid, but because they skip foundation. They skip foundation. Okay, professional traders, all right, never start with money. They start with knowledge. Go and ask every professional traders out there making money. They start making money when they you know learn first. Okay, they start making money with knowledge and control, not the time they were just without knowledge. All right, that's why I say you should hold your ear. Okay, this is very, very important. So now there are things you need to understand in the finance, in the forex market. Okay, understand price, not indicator. A lot of you out there are full of indicators. Okay, That is the way the market moves. That is in here. There is way this price you are seeing here. That is way market move. Okay, the market moves because of buyers and sellers. Sometimes you think that I just want this market. The market cannot move without uh, the sellers, and the sellers cannot enjoy the market without the buyers. These are the two people that make up this market, the buyers and the sellers. Like here now, okay, here you see something of this nature here. You can see what happening here now. Watch me closely. Here, price is going down. Okay, price here now, price is going up. Okay, price go up. Him buyers are stronger now. Buyers are more stronger from this point here. You see this bullish strong candle in 1 hour time frame here, right? This 1 hour time frame. Then you see in days. So um buyers are stronger here, and here check what happened here. Sellers price go down here because sellers are stronger here. That's all. That's how this market moves. Okay, you are seeing these candles here. Candles are just picture of behaviors, how people are reacting, human behavior, what they are happening, what is happening here. That is why is now showing through these candles. You seeing the blue candle, or in your own chart you may use green, buying, red, selling. Here now this blue represent buyers. The market is going up, or you can use green color. The market is going up, and this red represents sellers. The market is going down. Okay, you see, I mentioned of indicators. A lot of beginners coming in with full of indicators. You see, a lot of us started with indicators. Even in my channel here, if you click down, you see some videos. I talk about indicators. A lot of us started with indicators, but you see, indicators are not bad. Okay, but price, understand this, price comes first because before the indicators. Okay, price comes first. That's why a lot of people say indicators always lag, indicators always lag, because price, why sometimes they don't understand why indicators lag, is because price comes first before the indicator will react. Before indicator will even show you buy or sell, the markets have moved a long way, the price have moved a long way. So as a beginner, your job here, what I'm teaching you here right now, is you need to learn how price moves. Okay, how price moves, that is what you should learn. Where price react, like here, watch here closely, right? Watch this video closely. You see, where price react, you may see here. If you go to like 15 minutes time frame, for example, you will see that here market come here, the price react. Okay, now market go a little up, market react. Okay, so as a beginner, your job is to learn all this, where price react. Then there are some areas where you see price slow down. Like here now, if you check here, you see that price slow down here. Okay, where price slow down here. If you check, this happens many minutes here. It's unlike these ones start moving fast, but here, price slow down here. These things I show you, this thing happening here is what is called market structure, and it is the language of the market. You go and learn market structure. Okay, understand market structure. This is the language the market understand. Market structure, not indicators, popular known as price action. But market structure, the foundation, that's the language of the market. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about time frame, because time frame is very, very important. Now in the financial market, we have a lot of time frames. Okay, we see 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, to 12 months, 1 month, 3 months, one day. What does this mean? It simply means let we come to this 1 minute time frame here. Okay, let me show you something. Watch this video. See here, it take 1 minute for this candle to open and close. Okay, from the time this candle open and close, it will take 1 minute. Now you see, 1 minute is over and another one is forming. All right. Now when you come in here, 1 hour, the same thing with the 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes for a candle to open and close in 5 minutes time frame. Now, when you come to 1 hour, you see this long candle you are seeing here. See this bullish long candle. It take 1 hours for this candle to open from here and close here. And the same 1 hour, it take this little one here, this red one. The same 1 hour, it take this little blue one here. All right. Now, when you still come to daily time frame here, this is the daily time frame. It take full 24 hours, full day for this candle to open and close. The same thing with here. And if you still come to 1 month time frame, it simply means that it will take 1 full month, okay, before this candle will open and close. This one here, it takes 1 month from the time it open and the time it close. It take 1 full month. I hope you understand. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Now, when you come to this time frame here, there is a lot of confusion here. Okay, in time frame, more especially for beginners. More especially for beginners. Okay, they see price on one. They see price maybe in higher time frame, like say like D1, they see buy on that chart. Now when they come to maybe 15 minutes or 1 minute or 5 minutes, they see sell. Now they get confused. Okay, they get confused, and in this market, confusion create fear. All right, confusion create fear. Fear create mistake. That's why you start making random mistake, guys. Oh no. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, I just want you to smash that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that YouTube can push these videos to a lot of traders out there, more especially beginners, so that they can learn and understand how this thing work. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to start this in a simple way. If you come into this chart, okay, start with the higher time frame. Start with a higher time frame, because higher time frame show you the direction of the market. It show you the bigger picture where the market is going. Okay, higher time frame first. Now, lower time frames are for entries. Okay, lower time frames show you entries where to enter in the market. Like this market you are seeing here. Here, watch closely. I want you to watch this very closely. See here. All right. You see here, I analyze this market using the higher time frame, and I'll pick my entry here on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so higher time frame show you the direction of the market. Now lower time frame show you entry, where to put the trigger. Okay, so do not overcomplicate it. It's very, very simple. Higher time frame for direction, lower time frame entry. Okay, the lower time frame should be the same direction of that higher time frame. Okay, structure is clarity, guys. That's why I talk about you understanding the foundation of the market, and clarity creates confidence in this market. All right, so I have talked about time frames. So I'm gonna talk about the risk, because if you are in this market, you don't understand the risk, God, the market will punish you. Seriously, I must be honest with you here, guys. Okay, this is where real traders are born. Risk control, very, very important. You must not understand it. And let me be very, very direct here. Okay, if you don't control risk, I repeat, if you don't control risk, the market will control your emotions. Take note of this. I repeat again, because this is very, very important. This is why you blow up your accounts. This is why you lose many of your funds. If you don't control your risk, then the market will control your emotions. Okay. Now, when we are talking about, and I'm talking about risk control, it simply means you decide how much you can lose before you put a trigger, before you enter that market, before you click that sell or buy. Okay, you must decide. You decide how much you can lose. Now you never risk money you are afraid to lose. You never. This is no longer the money you can afford. You can afford the money. Like a lot of people always use, don't risk the money you cannot afford to lose. You see, here now, never risk money you are afraid. Okay, sometimes you can afford to lose money, but you are afraid to lose it. More especially, let me come in here now. School just resume. Let's say you are a family person, school just resume. You need to pay school fees. Don't use your children's school fees to come into this market, more especially as a beginner, thinking that you're gonna double it in next 15 minutes. It's possible, but chances are you're gonna lose that money. Don't use your house rent. Okay, don't risk your house rent. Your house rent is due to pay, and you're risking, or your feeding money. You know you are very, very hungry, you know, and if you don't eat, you know you're gonna die. And you are coming in with that money. So take note of this. This is what we mean by risk control. Now, another thing is that a lot of you will come into this market, you struggle for over, let's say, days. You are growing an account, 1 week, 2 weeks, months, and at the end of the day, you allow one trade to damage your account. So one trade must not damage your account. It's very, very important here. Okay, it's very, very important as a beginner trader. These are the foundation. These are the most important things they are not telling you out there. You just come in, you download the app, and you start reading. Now there is way to think in the financial market. In this financial market, we have professionals and the beginners. Now that is the way professionals think. That's tuitions, okay? Because I'm training you here for you to become a professional trader, a tuition for that matter. Now, professionals think, how do I survive long enough to grow my account? Okay, how do I survive long to grow in this market? But when beginners come into the market, they just heard about financial market, they just heard about forex trading. They think, how much can I make today? That's what you're gonna, bro. If I start today, how much am I gonna make? If I put 10 on $10, how much will I make in the next 15 minutes? That's how they think. So the difference here is everything. Okay, you know, professionals think long term, beginners they think short term until the market humbles them. Okay, they now start thinking long term. They will now understand the real deal of this market. Okay, but now I'm just training you. If you are just a beginner, if you this is your first time watching about uh you know forex trading video, you start thinking the way professionals think, so that you're not gonna lose so much money. You know, so that you're not gonna lose so much money. So that is just it. Now I'm gonna talk about in this financial market, forex market, there is what we call real and demo. Okay. Now a lot of people think that when they come to start with demo, they start playing, thinking that the demo account is a joke. Bro, it's not. Demo account is not a joke, bro. This is where you build discipline. This is where you test your rules, bro. This is where you learn execution. Okay, this is where you learn these three things I mentioned: discipline, rules, execution. You learn them using your demo account. You don't learn these things when you come to uh, real. If you start learning to rule, that means you're gonna lose a lot. Okay. Now, if you cannot follow rules on demo, Okay, if you the simple rules, if you cannot follow them on demo, you will break them fast and then you come to real money. Okay, if you cannot follow them, you're gonna break a lot of it down, and that will cost you money. Okay, because here trading, bro, trading is a behavior skill, not a button pressing skill. I must be honest with you right now, bro. Okay, trading is not about coming to the chart, clicking this sound. You'll be hearing this sound of, boom, 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 bam, bam, boom, 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 boom. No, it's not about it, bro. This is a behavior skill, not a button pressing skill, bro. It's not about coming in here, pulling the trigger on a daily basis, making some noise in the chat, boom, 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 starting. It's not about it. This is a behavior skill, right? Now, if you're enjoying this video, I want you to smash that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you, right? And I also want you to share this video so that a lot of people can watch. Okay, now I'm going to talk about building a plan. This is very, very important as a beginner trader. And I always saw this in Tuba Nation community. Okay, build a simple trading plan. It's very, very important. This will help you a long way. Some of you just started without a plan. Many of us started without a plan, but this video will guide you. So, this your plan should include: when do I trade? Ask yourself this question: when do I trade? Am I trading London section? Am I trading Asian station? Am I trading, New York section? Am I trading on Monday? Am I trading every day? These things are something should be included in your plan. What do I look for? Okay, what do I look for is very, very important. Before I place a trade, what should I look for? Should I look for a candlestick confirmation? Should I look for a pattern and chart pattern confirmation? What exactly should I look for? All right, where do I enter the market? Where, at what particular point should I enter this market? These things are very, very important in your plan. If you don't, oh God, oh no. Now, where do I sit if I'm wrong? Many of you, when you are wrong, you start shifting your stop losses because you never do anything, you never done your homework. When price start approaching your stop loss, or you are in a huge loss, you now start bleeding blood. Oh my goodness. All right. Now, listen closely, guys. Now, if you check here, before I put this trigger here, I know that, okay, if I have done my research, I've done my homework, I've do everything. Now, market is this market is a probability stuff. No, it's under probability. That I have done my analysis does not guarantee it must surely go my way. It's under probability. Now, despite it's under, I need to control my risk. Now, if this market